And a bunch of definitions about angles, just to make sure that you know what do we have. First of all, if you have an angle is made up of connecting two rays. This little point right here is called the, somebody? Yes, vertex, nice work. Of the angle, that's the point where it comes together. And then we've got special kinds of angles. The first and not least of which is, what's this little angle called? A right angle. It equals 90 degrees. Then we've got maybe this little smaller angle, an angle that is less than, like that, less than sign. Less than 90 degrees is, Brianna? Yes, it is a cute little angle. And the other one we haven't yet said is the one that is bigger or larger than 90 degrees, greater than 90 degrees. You like that? Greater than, faster, greater than. What is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees? Brooklyn?
Obtuse.
It is obtuse. If somebody, would you rather be called obtuse or acute?
Acute.
Would you rather have an acute pain or an obtuse pain?
Obtuse. What?
Keith knows what acute pain is. What's acute pain? Sharp, yes, which makes sense because that's what it is.
This tree is an accident.
Did you like that? So here's kind of the deal. Let's say you've got these points on the line, and this is A, B, C, and D. If I asked you to name an acute angle, what would you tell me? How do I name, first of all, what angle is acute, Elijah?
Line B, B, C.
What's that? This angle here, right? How do I label? If I'm trying to tell somebody I'm talking about that particular angle, because there's 3 different angles I could talk about. 1, 2, 3, actually 4 if you want to go there. How do I name this angle here? Elijah? It is angle what? DBC, or it is angle CBD. The one thing that has to be where is the vertex has to be in the middle. I can't call it angle CDB at the end. The B has to be in the middle because it's the vertex. An obtuse angle, if you're telling me an obtuse angle, what would the obtuse angle be? Isabel? Angle A, B, D, or you could name it angle D, B, A. Either one is acceptable. When I read the answer, I might read them both, or I might read one, but you certainly should be able to figure that out. Now, if it's a shape that looks like this, and we call this whatever it is, parallelogram A, B, C, D. If you don't have any other choice but the one thing here, I can just call this, I can just call that angle D. I don't have to call it ADC, because there's no way you can be confused on that. That's the only angle that's there. Or this one, angle A is acute. You can't mix that up here. I can't call this angle B because angle B could be this one, it could be this one, and it could be that one. So if it's a shape, a polygon, or whatever, you don't have to name all 3. You can just name whatever the vertex is, so it's not to be confused. Otherwise, yes, you have to. How about that? Please be careful when they tell you to write parallel lines or segments. This would be parallel lines, have to have arrows on it. This would be parallel segments, no arrows, start, stop.